Hello sparkle lovers, welcome to the third week of the WIP Olympics. We made some progress this week, not that much because I didn't have much time due to the new release that happened today actually, this morning, so I didn't have much time to diamond paint, a bit of procrastination. And the results of procrastinating because I had to rush to do a lot of things the final days before the release, so I didn't have much time to diamond paint. But anyways, we did something and we will have a look. In total this week I worked 21 hours and 42 minutes. I diamond painted. Now, let's go to the roster. 0 points. The Enchanted Fungi Grove. Unfortunately, this one didn't come up at all this week, so we really don't have anything new here. No progress at all. And I hope I will be able to finish this cup at least this week if it comes around, because I really like how it turns out. With 1 point, we have a tie, as always. Yes, I didn't work at all on this. 1 point had my WIP for the Be Happy event. Well, I haven't done much progress. Well, actually, to be qualified, I'm not going for the rewards anyway, but I would like to see if I could qualify. I just need 2 sections to do that, and they are easy sections. They are not confetti heavy like the top and this part was. I did this piece and this one this week with the flowers. And I worked in total of 4 hours and 34 minutes to do these 2 sections. Now the rest of it, no, these sections are pretty confetti heavy, but these 3 are not as much, so they should go fast as soon as it rolls. Again, with 1 point, we have our new release. It goes up today on the store. Don't forget or be aware, if you haven't heard, that we have a BOGO going on. Buy one and get another one for 30% off. It will go until Thursday night, midnight my time, which is GMT +3. It's Eastern European time. And if you like 2 of the designs, you can have a good discount on them, and of course the free shipping for over 150 euros. Now we have, as I said, this came on yesterday. I worked a bit on that. I managed to do this section. This is a very confetti heavy canvas, so it goes slowly, but I really like how it is turning out. I worked on it 3 hours and 19 minutes, yes, to get this section, but it turns out beautiful and I really can't wait to reach her face. The next project with 2 points, the one and only, almost DNF'd, Gilded Serenity, the old version, not the new. This has 2 points, but I worked on it only one day because I was too tired and too busy and I am little dragging my feet on this, as I have said before, so I managed to do 2 sections here, or it was 3, 2 or 3 sections here, and finished that row, and I have 2 more rows left, so it should be completed pretty fast. Also on this canvas, these 2 last rows, except maybe this part here, are not very confetti heavy. We have a lot of color blocking, so it should go fast as long as I have the mood to work on it. Because yes, I'm dragging my feet a little bit, and I spent the first day that came around, I worked on it for 4 hours and 10 minutes. The second day, I didn't work at all. Friday. Yes. So, I could have done a couple more sections here, but it's fine. And this week's winner, like last week, let me turn this off. Like last week, is the dog of butterflies, and I have made a pretty good progress, and I really love it, how it is turning out. I finished his face and he looks amazing, and now I have 2 rows left on the bottom. This is a round kit. This is my only round kit on the selection of the 5. And once it's done, the next kit, the wheel decides. And there are a couple, I really hope the wheel decides, but I will work on them because I can't wait to start them. But I have to finish this first, of course. I worked on it. Let's see, I have some trash here. Or missing drills. I don't see any missing drills, so it probably was trash because again I'm working on this today. And I worked on it a total of 9 hours 38 minutes. And I did this part, these 2 rows this week. So I have 2 more. I think today I will manage to do, if I don't get very lazy, maybe I will do the entire row because it's very color blocky. It should go fast. We will see. And that was the wrap up for the round Olympics and for the week 3 of the WIP Olympics. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you like this concept, if I should keep doing it or just skip it. Let me tell you one truth. It's easier for me to do this than a WIP and chat because I don't feel I have much things to say and I can't cover enough time. So that's why I'm doing the WIP Olympics as a way to connect with you people. So let me know in the comments if you like it, if you like my WIPs, and if you can make a guess which one will be the first to, that's a crystal, to finish. So I'm either, oh no, it's a trust crystal. It doesn't have the backing, so just flew here. It's okay. Okay, that was it. I hope you like this video. I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't yet. And I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Drink a lot of water, it's getting hot out here. Or wear warm clothes for our friends in Australia because it's heavy winter there from what I hear. And we will talk again soon. Don't forget to shine. Bye.